In this video, we're going to be installing the M logo puddle lights into the doors of the F33. Let's go. What's up everyone, I'm Steve and you're watching F33. Now if you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss when a new video drops. Now as enthusiasts, we're always looking for ways to put personal touches on our rides. When I first got the F33, I put the M logo puddle lights in the doors and they looked amazing. Now over time, these lights started to fade, lose their detail and color, and a year and a half after installing mine, they don't look all that great anymore. Now typically, these look really good for about 6 to 8 months before they start to degrade, and I should have replaced mine a long time ago, but I just haven't gotten around to it. Now swapping these out is super easy and only requires a trim tool or a small screwdriver. While we're working on the doors, I thought that I'd add some carbon fiber-esque door latch covers. Now these obviously are not real carbon fiber, they're just made out of some really thin, cheap metal, but I wanted to see how they'd look on the car. Now they come in a 4-pack, so if you've got a 2-door like me, you've got a couple extra. All right, so let's head out to the garage and get these installed. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the correct light for the door that you're working on. You don't want to have your car show a giant W instead of an M logo. Now at first glance these lights look identical, but if you look a little closer you can actually see that they're configured opposite from one another. There is a little adjustment knob and that knob should face away from you so that it displays an M on the ground. Now, if you want to move this M either left or right, rotating it, you can use that adjustment knob, move it left to right, and that will move the M accordingly. Next, prepare the new light by plugging in the provided wire connectors. Now, what you're going to want to do is take a small trim tool or flathead screwdriver and pry the light away from the one side. Next, unplug the existing light and plug the new one in, making sure to push any extra wire into the door. All right, now it's time to fit the new lighting in place, making sure to start first on the side with the wiring. The door latch covers are super easy. Just remove the backing on the pre-installed 3M tape and press firmly in place. I usually like to hold these for about 15 to 30 seconds. Now, as you saw, these were two really easy and very inexpensive mods that can really set your ride apart from a lot of the others. Now, they have a few different designs for the door lights, so comment down below with the design that you picked for your car. Now, as always, I'll put links in the description below to all the products used in the video today. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.